In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into WordPress and create a professional resume page using its features. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the platform and enhance your WordPress skills efficiently. Let's start by logging into your WordPress account. Go to your WordPress login page, and once you're there, enter your username and password. Remember, if you ever forget your password, you can always reset it by clicking Lost Your Password and following the prompts. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This area functions as the central hub for managing everything on your site, from creating pages to reviewing site statistics, so getting familiar with it will be quite beneficial. Now that you're on the dashboard, focus your attention on the menu running down the left side of your screen. From this menu, navigate to Pages and select Add New. This action will direct you to a new page editor where you will create your resume page, a valuable addition to your site that can showcase your professional background succinctly. In the page editor, start by giving your page a title, perhaps resume or something similar that clearly conveys its purpose. Following this, you'll want to fill the page with comprehensive sections that outline your personal and professional details. Begin with an engaging introduction. This section should include a brief overview of who you are and what you aim to achieve professionally. Keep it concise yet impactful. Once your introduction is set, proceed to add a section for your professional experience. Here, detail any relevant jobs you've had in the past, including your role and key responsibilities. Try to focus on achievements that highlight your expertise and contributions in those positions. Following your experience, make a section for your education, listing your degrees, diplomas, or certifications, along with the institutions you've attended. Next up, skills. This section should provide a quick but comprehensive list of skills, particularly those that are relevant to the positions you're aspiring to fill. Think of this part as a snapshot of what you're capable of. A well-organized skills section can make a powerful impression on potential employers. Now, don't forget to add a contact section. Here, offer visitors clear ways to get in touch with you, whether it's through email, phone, or a contact form. Having a robust contact section ensures potential employers can reach out easily after reviewing your resume. After you've carefully filled each of these sections, review your entries to ensure everything is correctly placed and edited thoroughly. Once satisfied, it's time to make your work public. So look over at the top right corner of the page and click on Publish. Doing so will save all your changes and make your resume page live on your site. Now you know how to effectively log in and create a standout resume page on WordPress. This skill not only highlights your expertise, but also enhances the overall professionalism of your website. Keep exploring WordPress for more ways to develop your personal site.